Dear students, honorable guardian and viewers who are watching me right now, take my salam and heartiest love. Before starting the class, I want to give you my introduction. This is Lutfur Nahar, assistant teacher, Raujan Aijamator Institution, Raujan, Chattogram. In this pandemic situation, as you cannot come to your schools, your school Raujan Aijamator Institution organized Raujan Aijamator online schools platform for you. I hope this online platform will be beneficial for you in this critical situation. And our today's topic is tech question, and you already has seen my tech question class in my previous 2 or 3 class, and in today's class I want to review tech question. And this class is for that if you miss some rules or if you cannot understand the rules in my previous class, I want to clear that in today's class. As we already told you that our today's class is review tech question. So let's see the main trick of tech question. I hope you know that in tech question you have to change the positive statement into negative statement and the negative statement into positive statement. This is the main trick, and you should put question mark at the end of the statement or question tag. As the name already mentioned here that this is a question tag, that's why you have to use question sign at the end of the tag question. Okay, so first trick is that first of all you have to use the question mark at the end of the statement, and you have to change positive statement into negative statement and negative statement into positive statement. And in simple present, simple past and simple future tense, there is no auxiliary words. That's why you have to use do, don't, does, doesn't, did and didn't in the question tag. Okay, and if the sentence is present continuous, past continuous and future continuous, then you will find auxiliary words in the statement, and you should use this auxiliary word in the question tag. And if the statement is positive one, then you should add not with the question tag. Okay, just like he is a good cricketer. I already gave you an example of positive statement. That's why we use negative tag. Is the positive statement, and there is a negative tag here. Okay, you can find the rules of changing positive to negative and negative to positive statement. Okay, and use of auxiliary word in the question tag. You should take the auxiliary word first, then you should add not in the positive statement and use the pronoun in the from the subject. And if the subject mentions someone's name like Korim, Rohim, Shiba, Shima, etc., then you should use pronoun according to the gender of the subject. Okay, some more rules. Have, has, had. Mention that it's a perfect tense. What kind of perfect? Present perfect and first perfect, and also shall have, will have. Okay. So, in present, first and future perfect tense, you will find that have, has, had, shall have, will have. Then you have to use haven't, hasn't and had not in the tag question, that you have done the work. Haven't you? You haven't seen her. Have you? There are two kinds of statement. One is positive and another is negative statement. And in positive statement, we use have or haven't in the place of have auxiliary verb, and there is have not already mentioned in the statement, and as it is a negative statement, we use have you, positive statement. Okay. I was running first in the field. Wasn't I? What kind of sentence it is? It's a positive statement, and this is an example of first continuous tense. That's why we use was and ing with the main verb of the statement, and that's why we use the auxiliary word was and add not with the pronoun I. Okay. Similarly, she is playing piano, isn't she? Is and the pronoun, okay, with negative statement. Let's go to shop. Shall we? We already said in the previous class that if we see let's at the beginning of the statement, then we have to use shall we, that as it is a proposal and the action is not done yet. That's why we have to use shall we. Then as the nearest future tense, we have to use future tense rules in the statement, which start with let's. Don't waste your time. You already said that don't waste your time is a negative statement. That's why we have to use positive tag, as it's a sign of nearest future tense, as the action is not happened yet. That's why we have to use future, simple future tense auxiliary verb. Will you? Read the newspaper well? Won't you? There is two kind of imperative sentence here. First of all, the speaker want to tell the listener, don't waste your time. It's a positive statement, and to order someone to do something and not to do something, and here the speaker told the listener to do something, order to do something. That's why we use won't you. As this is a positive statement, we use negative tag, and here is a negative statement, we use positive tag. And we use indefinite pronoun like nobody, no one, anybody, anyone, none in the rules. None can do it. Can they? We have to use they in the place of none, nobody, no one, anybody, anyone in the statement. Okay, if we find the indefinite pronoun in the statement, we have to use their pronoun in the question tag. And it and their rules. If we find it or their at the first of the statement, we should use it or their in the question tag as pronoun. There are lots of flowers in the garden. Aren't there? Okay, there are lots of flowers in the garden. There are lots of flowers in the garden, aren't there? So, we directly use there as the pronoun in the question tag. Okay, I hope in review class you can find your missing rules and missing trick. So, this review class will be beneficial. I hope so. So, in this class, you have found the rules of main rules of tag questions. I hope you will remember the main tricks of this tag question and you will do good in your exam paper. I hope you will follow the hygienic rules and you will wear your marks if you go out of your house. Okay? That's all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.